Hello friends. So in this video, let's discuss about dieting, weight loss, bariatric surgery and hair fall. How are these related to hair fall? Because many of our patients who go in for dieting do suffer hair fall after 3 or 4 months, or patients who have undergone bariatric surgery also have a complaint of hair fall after 3 or 4 months of the surgery. So what is the reason for this? The main reason is nutrition. We have understood how nutrition plays a role in hair. So reduction in the nutritional content, or whenever you are on a diet plan, if it is not properly monitored, then because there is a caloric deficit, there is also a nutritional deficiency, and that nutritional deficiency will be reflected in your hair, because hair is the last one to get the nutrition from your body. So generally patients start seeing hair fall after 3 or 4 months of starting their diet plan. Similarly, in bariatric surgery, there is a reduction in the stomach size, there is reduction in the quantity of food that the patient takes, and because of which there is reduction in the nutrition, and that in turn will be reflected on your hair. In both these cases, if you start noticing, you should visit your dermat or trichologist. Proper nutritional supplementation, local medicines to apply, the hair can be completely be recovered and we can stop the treatment. Minimum of 3 to 6 months of treatment is necessary, and gradually we can wean it off and the hair can be sustained. Do not consider drastic dieting as a quick fix measure for your weight loss routine or your weight loss journey. What happens with drastic dieting is there is a sudden caloric deficit, there is a sudden nutritional deficiency, and that reflects everywhere from your hair to skin to nails. And the worst part is you might lose weight immediately, 5 kgs, 10 kgs, but there are very high chances of that lost weight coming back. According to me, I feel around 2 to 2.5 kgs every monthly is adequate, not more than that. Because if you try and lose more than that weight, there is definitely going to be a nutritional deficiency. Here the weight loss might be slow when you go in for 2 or 2.5 kgs a month, but it will give you longer lasting results, and gradually maintenance would be easier. Similarly, bariatric surgery is not a quick fix result for everyone. It needs to be considered only by those patients who fall under the category where bariatric surgery is advised, or they have metabolic disorders where weight is an important factor. Even with bariatric surgery, maintenance is needed. So remember, any treatments that you do, even for your hair, for your skin, for your dieting, maintenance is very important, and there is nothing that is quick fix. Quick fix will give you instant results, but they won't be long term. Maintenance will be needed. So even in hair, people have a misconception. Hair transplant is the best and the quick fix option. Let's do hair transplant. You're out of medicines, you don't need to take anything. No, that is not the thing. I will definitely be discussing about hair transplant when I start videos on treatment options for hair fall. I hope you have understood how hair fall, why do you get hair fall post dieting or post bariatric surgery, and how can we tackle it. In the next video, let's discuss about dandruff, seborrhea, scalp health. Dandruff is a very common problem among youngsters, and that is the time, because of dandruff, they lose lots and lots of hair. So let's understand how it plays a role in hair fall and what can be done about dandruff. I hope you like this video. Do like, do share, do subscribe. Thank you.